Hello and welcome. It's Gilly Kube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast and I'm actually back, mostly recovered from recent surgery, but it's been a pretty hard journey for me this time. It must be age, but anyway, I'm not going to dwell on that. I feel good enough to kind of get back into my art room while it has been, we finished all the renovations. My husband actually had to finish off because I was had surgery, but anyway, that's another whole nother story. But I will do a video of a walkthrough of my new studio. You'll see where my son painted my wall for me. Anyway, I am making a really bargain priced coffee side table that's really, well, it all in all cost me $15 because that pine round I got from my local Bunnings store for $10, and then I got that PVC plastic material there. I think it was $2.99. So so it cost me $16 because then I paid $3 on in a specials box at my local Kmart for the base, which was a waste paper basket bin. So yeah, I think so in all it's cost me $16. So pretty good bargain for a nice coffee table. And now it's actually finished. I'm absolutely super happy with it. So all I did, as you've seen, was put that piece of pine round over the top of my fabric, and I'm cutting the round shape out, ready for that to go on the top of my pine round, and I will be using PVA to stick it all down with. Definitely another project that you can just take your time with. So no paint mixing today. It's just a little bit of a DIY, isn't it? So I will definitely, and have always done on my channel, thrown in some different projects there that don't involve painting. So this is one of them. But I am actually working off my new desk now, which has got a very loud, as you see, the same kind of print on it. That's a tablecloth, one of those picnic tablecloths that's on the bottom of, on the top of my new art table. And I think that was only like $5. So I could actually use that to make as material for a tabletop or something such. But that's for another day. So it's all cut out now. I'm going to get my white PVA, and I think I'm going to coat both of those top and bottom of the board. I'm just using the plain PVA that has had well, that's a wood PVA. I could use any of the PVAs that I've got, but I thought because I'm actually putting on wood, I know it's going to have vinyl on top. But anyway, that's what I used, and it's actually worked really, really well. So I'm just going to put some on the pine bottom, and I think I will put it on the actual material as well, so I can sort of push it, slide it around till I get it in the right position. Now, probably one thing I may have done differently if I'm doing this again is I might actually paint the round. It was all right doing it on this particular print or PVA material because it complemented the colour of it, but the wood you can sort of see the wood still through it in spots, so but it still looks really good anyway. But yeah, so I'm sort of making sure I put plenty on because I will put a nice weighted top to make sure it all stays in place to dry. Yeah, I'm just spreading it out with my hand, getting any wrinkles out that's kind of in the material, so just really pushing it out quite firmly. And so it actually all comes over the edge of my pine round. So yeah, just use your hand to make sure you push all the the glue and the material stretch, so there's no wrinkles. It kind of gets lost, doesn't it, in that tabletop tablecloth bottom that I've got on the table. It's sort of but I tell you, all this theme goes really well with my art room wall, which I'll add a video to the end of this of it done, being painted, but it'll be speeded up, and it's really quite mesmerising. So please make sure that you stay to the end of the video, where my son Scotty, who's an airbrush artist, finished off the wall in this really nice tropical theme for me. And this little table will be going in my art studio, because I'm going to have a nice comfy chair in one corner and the coffee table, so when I'm working in there all day I can actually go and sit down, and I don't even have to go back into my house. So that's the plan, Stan. But I do want to talk to you guys about the extra space that we've created in my art studio. I don't actually need as much space as I've got to paint. So I've got this huge big room now, and I'm not quite sure what to do with it. So I was going to ask you guys, what do you think? But I will add another video of the studio and discuss it with you guys. So yeah, I've put that weight on it now, which is a tin full of paint, and that's a sort of a piece of sponge. I just wanted to leave it weighted overnight to dry out, so it dries all nicely. So coffee table almost ready. How simple is that? It dried all beautifully. So I have to Google whether I can put resin over the top of this vinyl, or I might have to just put Mod Podge to give it a better surface. But even if you were to leave it as it is, because it's vinyl, you can wipe over it. So this is, I just got a cheap bin, metal one, that I'm going to make into a metal bin that I'm going to make into my table top. So there's two ways you can do this. This way, if you have it up this way and put your top on it, I've got to create two clips on the side, which I'm going to get from my local hardware. I want it so you could take this off and keep maybe the dog toys in it, or magazines rolled up, or extra whatever, children's toys. So it's not only a table that's stable, a stable table, so it acts as two. So you can either keep it like that, so that becomes storage, which is the best idea, or you can turn it up the other way, and I can stick it to the top of this with some kind of glue. Probably silicone would be better to stick it, so then it's, this shaped table with the black. So there's two ways you can have it, yeah. So I think I'm going to have it this way. I'm going to try and search for clip, so I can just pull it off with a little, so it won't actually slip if I put a cup of coffee on it. But what's your idea for the top? Because this is vinyl, yeah, I can come along with a soft damp cloth to keep it clean, but I'm not sure whether resin might melt it all. So I think this was like $5 from my local Kmart. So you've got a table. The pine round I think I got for about 10 or 15 from my local Bunnings hardware. And that was $2.50, the actual vinyl. So pretty cheap, stable table. But I will put some photos on for you to see. I've got to trim the very edge off, and then I might actually paint the side of the table the dark green, sort of, just so it goes with my tropical theme. So let me know what you think. All good.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. 66 and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, we're playing songs on the radio. Sing along to the words that we don't know. House brings out the wild ones. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo. House brings out the wild ones. I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, we're playing songs on the radio. Sing along to the words that we don't know. House brings out the wild ones. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo. House brings out the wild ones. I got a little crush on you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do.